to 1/3 the price of Roundup. All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to talk about spraying weeds. One thing I cannot stand is a pile of weeds in my landscaping. And I've been walking by here every day and I try to pull like 2 or 3 every time I walk by. And it seems like they just keep coming back and coming back and coming back and coming back and yeah, coming back. Now, I think I've done this before in the past and it did work, so I'm gonna do this again. I think this recipe is just a little different, and it is about 1/2 to 1/3 the price of Roundup if you're gonna buy like a gallon of Roundup. And also should be a lot safer for my pets. I have 2 dogs and 2 cats, so I really don't wanna kill my dogs with Roundup and kill my cats. So I will put all this stuff down in the description, and if you just wanna go to the store and buy it, whatever, no big deal. But anything you click on down in my description does help support my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers in hopefully the next year. So this is real simple. I should be able to spray these on some of my weeds. I'm going to make it, spray it on a few of these weeds and show you my weeds, and then I will show you them again in about 4 hours. All right, now I'm going to put mine in this pump sprayer. That way I can mix up a whole gallon of this and it will be a lot easier, and I can spray it on all my weeds all throughout my entire landscaping and in my backyard. Or you could even put this in something like this, just a little sprayer like this. You can buy a good one like this. I recommend it, just they last longer. Oh, and if you see me using this, I love this blower. It's battery powered, and you can actually take these out and take them along with you on a trip or on a vacation and use them to like charge your phones in your car or whatever else. All right, so we need vinegar. You're gonna need some dish soap and some salt. I got 2 of these. You're just gonna need 1 gallon of vinegar. When I went and bought this, there was not just 1 gallon. It was like all sold out, so I just bought 2 half gallons. But we're gonna dump 1 gallon into this pump sprayer. I think I'm gonna dump that half gallon. Then I'm gonna put 1 cup of salt. And this is just a little measure that I keep in my garage to measure stuff like this. And it's not really a big deal. You could sit here and just dump it in and guess 1 cup. Or if you go a little over, no big deal. Probably a little bit extra. This salt is gonna help dry out all these leaves. And then the vinegar is gonna soak right down into them roots. Hopefully just kill all the weeds. That's a little extra. Dump in 1 cup of salt. And then we need 1 tablespoon of this dish soap. Now this is gonna help it stick to the leaves. So 1 tablespoon of this. No big deal if that's a little extra either. Some of it sticks in there, we'll put a little extra in there. There we go. Now I can use that dish soap and the salt. Definitely, again, all I have to buy is the vinegar to mix this up again. So like I said, this is like 1/2 to 1/3 the price, depending on where you live. It's a lot less toxic. So let me put this other 1/2 gallon in there. That's all my vinegar. I don't gotta worry about it causing cancer or some craziness like that. Put that on. We're gonna pump it up. I'm gonna show you, and I'll spray some of these weeds. Then I'll show you in 4 hours what they look like. Pump it up. Oh, and if I don't forget to tell you, if you do get a pump sprayer, when you're done using it, your pump sprayer will last longer if you let out the pressure. Like mine has a little pressure relief thing here. You don't want to store it away with all that pressure in. I just think it seems to last a little longer if you let some of the pressure out. 1 little one right here. There's 1. And these dang things, do anybody know what they're called? Those things like just start spreading everywhere. I got some big ones over here, I'll show you. I forgot to shake this up. You're supposed to shake this up. I'm just spraying vinegar on them. Oh, there's a big one. Try not to hit my wife's flowers. They're about done anyway. There's a big one right down in here. I missed it. There's another one of them big ones that's all spread out. But I think every time you pull these dang things, they just drop more seeds. All right, let me go around and I'm gonna finish spraying all the other weeds around my house and I'll show you what it looks like here in 4 hours. It's only gonna be like a couple seconds for you guys though. All right, it's been about 4 hours. I'm gonna take you around and show you a couple of these weeds They're almost fully dead. And then I'll show you here in 24 hours also. This is that big one. It's pretty shriveled up. Even these stinking ones that like to spread everywhere are pretty much all brown. You can barely see it. There's that one. It's all shriveled up. There's that real big one. It's all brown. All right, now this is 24 hours later. This is what this weed looks like. It is deader than dead. I really apologize if you like to grow weeds. And I didn't kill this, I promise. I don't know, I think these just, my wife quit watering in them. But that's what that weed looks like 24 hours later. Yeah, there's one of them things. You can't even probably see it. It kind of matches my mulch now. It's just browner than brown. And over here, that is dead. That vinegar, salt, and dish soap mixture definitely works awesome. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I hope this video helped you out. Please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. God bless, and I hope you kill a lot of weeds.